Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Hello guys, good morning. Ito naman tayo guys. Nandito tayo sa cave. Nakikita na yung mga old artifact. 6,000 years old daw ito. Yung cave na to. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo yung mga old jars. Tapos doon sa kabila ng cave, na cave meron. Pero hindi na nila din-develop. Preserve na nila. So, nandito tayo ngayon. Nandito yung tourist guide namin. Kaya pagod.
I want to eat the grapes.
That's not a grape. Now, we should climb the stairs and actually visit the cave.
This is rose?
They're using that seeds for tea to make tea.
Rose.
I need that.
Ito na yung entrance guys. Pasok sa cave. Pero medyo mataas. Aakyat kami. Dadaan kami ng hagdan.
Come on. Slowly going up the stairs, okay? Slowly. Slowly. Taya, slowly, slowly. Wait for us. Areni-1 Cave. Taya, wait for us. Hey, wait for us.
We're going in the cave, guys. I'm tired.
So guys, we are now in Areni-1 Cave, and that's a scientific name. name of the cave, but also locals are calling this cave a bird cave. If you look up, you will understand why people are calling it a bird cave, because we can see here a lot of nests for swallows. The small birds. Small birds. Now, here you can see the trenches. We have 6 trenches here, and in this place, we know that people used this place for more than 6,000 years ago. And so this place, you can see the clay. Something looked like the clay pots or the bases of the clay pots, but actually it's tandir. You guys know what tandir is, right? It's a clay fireplace where we make bread, and also we cook bread and also cook, yes. So today, for example, you are going to eat the chicken barbecue. Now here it's interesting because here you can see a pipe, a pot, a slate or wooden pipe. So we know that this was a metal melting pot. So they would melt some copper here, and we know that they worked with this fireplaces till 14th century. So this is also medieval workplace for medieval people. And if you look here in this brown space, you will see what the floor used to look like 6,000 years ago. So this grass.
I don't like to feel that it hurts.
Interesting here. This is the most exciting So this is the wine factory I was telling you about, and what's interesting that see here you can see the clay pots that looks different, right? We have pots that are made right here using this local clay, and you can see it was not baked. This clay pots are not baked, but the other ones, look at these ones, for example, they were baked. So they are already made using technology that people would use now when they would make something for wine. And if you look at this pot, you can see that the walls of this pot are thin, right? They are really thin. So Armenian wine is a bit different from, for example, Italian or Georgian wine, because the pottery here in Armenia are it has thinner walls, and I don't know, like flowers, right? So plants. But in reality, these pots were actually real pots. And here in this cave, archaeologists found the secondary